terms of a design thinking based approach. So you all know that what is a design thinking based approach. So in the design thinking approach, we have 5 stages like empathize, define, ideate, prototype and testing. So what is the empathize means? We have to analyze our problems in terms of the user point of view. So our topic is the importance of code optimization. So what is the need of code optimization? That is the main part of empathization. Next is from the problem statement, from the problems from the user, we have to define the problem of particular our specification. So we have to define what is the need of optimization. So what is the importance of optimization? That is the defined part in that approach. And third one, after defining our problem statement, we have to find out what are the methodology to implement the particular problem statement. That is an ideate state. So from that ideate, we are going to build the prototype. From the prototype, we are going to implement the code, and finally we have to test the code from the end user. So that is the design thinking based approach. So our students Aarti, Abhishek and Abhinesh and Abhinav will explain the 5 stages in terms of the performance, how to improve the performance of code optimization.
Good morning everyone, I am Abhinav. I will start with the first stage of empathy, design thinking empathy. To empathize means understanding the user's pains and problems. Our users are both end user applications and software developers. Many face struggles in high usage, high memory usage and other slow program execution. End users application also expect faster execution on application which runs on all other platforms. By empathizing with these needs, code optimization is not only the option, it also should be efficient for the users.
Define. I am Abhinesh. I am going to explain about the define stage. After understanding the user needs, we must apply the code problem. The main problem of compiler design is how to generate the machine code with efficient vision without changing the actual workflow. This brings out the definition of code optimization. It is the process of transforming code improves efficiency while keeping the behavior same. The key goals include reducing execution time, decreasing memory consumption, replacing CPU utilization that enhances performance across the platforms and systems.
I am Aarti. I will explain the ideate part of our code optimization topics. The ideate part is how to solve the problems in optimization. These are more efficient of the code execution. The ideate part, we are choosing the idea or brainstorm idea. That are the methodology or constant flooding and decode elimination and sub-expression elimination. Then the register allocation, the methodology to solve the execution part.
I am Abhishek. I want to explain about prototype. In design thinking, the prototype means the building and testing in action is known as prototype. And in a compiler design, the prototype is formed because of implementing the code generation phase. So this occurs, and I will take a simple example of organized and unorganized prototype. The unorganized prototype, if we are giving a program int a is equal to 5 and comma b is equal to 10, and int c is equal to a star 5 plus b. Then it will calculate twice, and the time is resting. And
so already we are declaring the particular, assigning the value to the particular variable. So again we are going to calculate, means it is a time consuming process. To reduce the particular thing, we can eliminate the calculation process. Isn't it?
And in organized prototype, if we are giving int a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 10, int temp is equal to a star 5, and the final is int c is equal to 10 plus b. Then
instead of compute the single statement, we are using the temporary variable and do that particular computation in the step-by-step process. That is the example of optimized code.
Then the testing part are the execution or the most important to testing part. There are the compiler are used to testing part. One example is we are considering loop condition. The loop condition are firstly for loop, then allocation, then print statement. We are a optimization section. The allocation is first, then for loop, then print statement. The testing part are used to execution speed of our problem.
I conclude the code optimization using this design thinking lens. First of all, I tell about the empathy. Abhinav told, first of all, empathy means we need developer and user need not work faster, but program is efficient. Then define process is to identify the problem to give to the compiler of code optimization. Then ideate is to explore or identify the programming language to the techniques. Then prototype is to implement this performance and correctness for the code optimization, and testing process is to verify the input of code optimization and performance for correctness. Overall, this code optimization not just a technical part. This is an solving process, logical process, and then performing an innovation process. Overall, the code optimization is not a computer design and run faster, smarter, and efficiently to the system goals.